Visual Studio Code installation. I already have the Visual Studio Code installed in my laptop. I'm using Windows. So I want to show you first the application. Then I'm gonna uninstall it and install it again, so you can see. You can download the VS Code from code.visualstudio.com. Like you can see, you can create files. Let's say, I don't know, example.html for your HTML files. Main.java.js for JavaScript, and you can create more files, more folders. So yeah, I'm gonna go to panel control and I'm gonna uninstall Visual Studio Code. So where it is, Microsoft. I'm gonna uninstall it. Yes, I wanna uninstall it. So this is probably gonna be very fast, but in the meantime, you can go and check out the documentation. Yeah, like getting started. Like Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop and is available for Windows, Macs, and Linux. Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from your computer. Okay, good. So I don't have it here. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install it. I'm heading to code.visualstudio.com and I'm using Windows. So let me see. Yeah, Windows 64 stable build. So you just click it. Thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows. So you just have to wait here, and while we wait, we can read the documentation. So it comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js, and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages and runtimes such as C++, C#, Java, Python, PHP, Go, .NET. Begin your journey with VS Code with this introductory video. So they're gonna show you some videos. How can you use Visual Studio Code, productivity tips, personalized extensions. There is the top extensions here: Python, Jupyter, Pylons, C, C++. And now, okay, we open the executable file. Okay, what they say. Yes, I accept. So next, let me see where we're gonna put it. Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna put it in programs, and yeah, I'm gonna just put it pretty much in my C folder. Okay, yeah, everything is pretty much installed. Okay, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be pretty quick. Let me see. Yeah, it's already done. So the Visual Studio Code has been successfully installed in this laptop.